The MA program is an 18-month program, and if I had to summarize it in one word, it's really all about development. You develop yourself at a professional level, at a personal level, and at a technical level. And that's done through local trainings, through mentorship and a project that you get to work on, as well as satellite trainings or travel trainings where you get to go to other mills, see other projects and things that are happening, and receive more training from people at those locations. So my favorite part about the MA program was the opportunities afforded by a mentor located at my location within the mill. I can meet with him anytime I need something, and he has been key in developing me on a personal, professional, and a technical level. When I first started and I knew that I was going to go work for a steel mill, I pictured like 1940s World War II steel mill with it's dirty and it's loud everywhere all the time, and it's very dangerous. And some of those hazards definitely still exist, but the modernization of culture, the Gerdau we are creating, are both critical in shifting that mindset away from that and towards something that is not only safer but more productive and exciting to work for. At Gerdau, I definitely feel empowered. I set my own pace. In the 2 years that I've been with the program, I've already received a title change, and lots of different responsibilities have been put on me, and I'm excited to take on every single one. And there's only more room to grow.